Hi, this is Brian Kim, and I want to share with you this quick video on my simple yet very efficient and effective MST Capsule Retractor placement and removal technique. When this device came out, I was using it quite a bit for zonular disease, and it's a great device to help support the capsular bag and the zonules, but I found it rather difficult and cumbersome to take out of the eye, and what I was doing was pulling it into the eye and pulling it through the main incision. But I've discovered such a simple and elegant way to, first of all, place it and tuck it into the bag to help retract the capsular bag and the zonules, but more importantly, to be able to extricate these MST capsule retractors from the eye. And again, this is such a super easy, simple, efficient way to take the MST capsule retractor out of the eye. And you're going to see that on this case of a patient with ectopia lentis. So you can see the patient has ectopia lentis. I already started my rhexis. I have about over 180 degrees of rhexis. So I'm placing the capsule retractor through my paracentesis incision, and then using the MST microforceps, I'm just extending the tip and I'm stretching it so I'm able to tuck the tip of the retractor around the rhexis edge. Again, I push the retractor through the paracentesis incision. And then you just grab the tip with the microforceps, pull it and extend it, and then just tuck it around the rhexis edge. Super easy technique in placing it. Again, rather than doing it from the outside, better to use forceps to pull it from the inside. And then when you're done with taking the lens out, you just loosen the stopper, twirl the retractor so that it's not around the rhexis edge, pull it up, turn it 90 degrees, get past the elbow, and pop it out. So again, loosen the stopper, make sure you push in so that the retractor tip is not in the bag anymore. You turn it sideways so that it's not around the rhexis edge. You pull it out. And then as you pull it out, you rotate it 90 degrees and you turn it in such a way that the elbow just pops out, and then you pop it right out. The simple and easy way to, again, place the MST capsule retractor in the eye and around the rhexis edge using microforceps. And then when you take the capsule retractor out, again, loosening the stopper, getting the tip out of the bag, turning it sideways and pulling it out. But as you pull it out, you want to rotate it 90 degrees. And as you rotate it, the elbow of the retractor will pop out through the paracentesis, and then you can pull it out really easily. So I hope this was helpful to you, and I thank you for your attention.